The next three tracks that you will hear are actually voice sounds that are elicited from the patient that are then transmitted to a different pitch through the chest wall, depending on whether the lung is healthy or whether there's some pathology there, such as an effusion or consolidation. Track 7, Egophony. When the patient says the letter E aloud, the sound is transmitted as E through healthy lung tissue. If there is a consolidation of the lung or effusion, the E is transmitted as the letter A. First, you will hear the healthy or normal sound as E, followed by the abnormal A sound, and finally you will hear the E and A sounds alternating as you would in auscultating a chest in a side-to-side fashion for comparison.